and welcome. So today I will give you a florist secret on what to do in case you only have ivory roses and you need to create another rose, for example a marzipan, this blush pink color on your rose, and you only have these ivory roses and a few bottles of spray paint, floral spray. So I'm just going to show you what we do in case this happens to us. Here we have a few colors of spray paint, and I'm just going to basically show you how we create that blush pink effect. So just spritz it a little bit in the middle, and it looks almost identical. It actually does look identical to a marzipan rose with the blush pink color. So we use this pink petunia spray for the blush pink rose. And now, say my bride wants these creme de la creme roses. I'm going to take my ivory rose that I have, since I only have ivory Vendela roses, I'm going to take this daffodil colored spray, and I'm going to spray the middle. Just like that. And it looks identical to the creme de la creme. This is what saves you money. If you don't have time, or if you don't want to go and pick up your flowers from another place, this is what's going to save you time and save you money. So now for a peach rose, a peach colored rose like the one I have shown here, you can use Tiger Lily or Oceana Peach. Tiger Lily is brighter than Oceana Peach, but both of these work pretty well. Just to know which ones to use depending on the specific color. And you can see it is going to be much brighter than the actual Oceana Peach. So here it is, just compared to the picture I found online. These two look so similar to the one online. It's almost identical, and this is just a much better method. Instead of going out and buying roses, you can just spray them. They look identical, and it saves you money and time. So now I'm just going to show you this hot pink rose. There are so many different colors that these sprays can help you change your roses into. There are hundreds of shades of purple, hundreds of shades of pink. There's also blues, lime green, and you can make your roses into any color. The variety is endless. I also have this blue here. We do have a video on our YouTube channel showing a full video for blue roses. Blue roses are a very famous color. I get asked numerous times, blue roses, do you have blue roses? And I have a video online on how to fully spray these. So make sure you check that out. So thank you so much for watching. Leave all your comments, questions, or concerns below, and don't forget to subscribe.